Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start new point. So be ready with your writing material. As you know, students, we have started lesson number 3, being safe. We have learned about how to be safe at home, on the road and while traveling in a vehicle. So today we are going to learn next point, how to be safe while riding a bicycle and while playing, and about the road signs. So students, be ready with your writing material. Let us start. Okay students, you can see one boy riding a bicycle. Yes. How he is riding a bicycle? Just watch carefully. Okay. While riding a bicycle, we have to follow some safety rules or safety habits. Just we will read first. Okay. While riding a bicycle is fun, but you must not ride it on busy roads. Keep to the left side of the road. Always wear a bicycle helmet while cycling. Do not carry anything heavy on your bicycle. Hold the handlebar firmly with both hands. Do not ever let go of the handlebars while riding. Okay students, so these are some safety rules are given. Which is the first? Yes, don't ride your bicycle on the busy roads. Nowadays roads are very busy. So that time don't go on the roads to ride a bicycle. The next thing, keep to the left side. Always ride your bicycle from the left side of the road. Then if you have a helmet, a bicycle helmet, use that. Next, don't carry any heavy thing on your bicycle, on the carriage. Okay. Then hold the handles firmly always. I am watching many students, what they are doing, with the one hand they are doing stunts. So it is very harmful. So don't do that. Okay. Okay students, just observe the picture. Yes, you know this picture. Yes, this is the park. In the park you can see the children are playing. What they are playing? They are playing on slides. They are playing on seesaw. They are playing with the football. They are playing on the swings. I know you are enjoying playing on the park. Yes. While playing too, we have to follow some safety rules or safety habits. What are those? Let us see. While playing, play with your friends in a playground. Some children are playing on the road or any other area. Don't play on the road at all. So always play with your friends in a playground only. Do not play on the road. Do not wander off alone. Some children, they have habit to wander here and there alone. Don't go anywhere alone. Take turns while playing on the swing, slide and seesaw. When you are using swing, slide and seesaw, take turns. Some children are not giving a single chance to other children to sit on the swing. Okay, so this is wrong thing, correct? So take one by one turns while playing on the swing, slide and seesaw. Next and the last is very important. Do not hurt others or yourself while playing. Always be careful. Play carefully. Your one action will hurt other or it will hurt you also. So while playing, remember some things and take care of yourself and others too. Did you know, students, using mobile phones while driving can cause accidents. Advise your parents not to use mobile phones while driving. Nowadays you are watching in your surrounding area, on the road also, some drivers, while they are driving a bike, a car, they are using a mobile phone. They are speaking on the mobile phone. And if your parents are doing the same, stop them there only. Okay, advise to your parent also and any other person who is driving and speaking at the same time on the mobile. Advise them not to use mobile while driving. Okay. Okay, students, just observe. You know these signs? Yes, many times you have seen these signs nearby your house. Where? Yes, on the roadside. You saw these road signs on the roadsides. Correct? Okay. Now just take one by one look to these road signs. Yes. See the first one, slow. Means what? These road signs are giving you instructions. What are those instructions? They want to tell you, first thing, drive slowly. When there is a board, you can see the road sign of SLOW, slow, means you have to drive slowly. Next, you can see the green road sign. Yes? Yes. What is written on that? GO, go, means from that place you can go forward. Next, you can see one person and one child is walking, means the place or the road is clear to walk. You can walk from that road. Next, red color, and there is one sign, red color sign, it's stop, means you have to stop there. Okay, don't go forward. Next, just observe the white arrow in the black background. Yes, what is given? What is written here? One way, means from one side only vehicles can go. Yes, from other side there is no entry for other vehicle from the opposite side. And the next sign in red circle, you can see what is written there? Do not enter. In which place you saw this road sign? Do not enter there. Okay, so these road signs are in short given some instructions to you which you have to follow on the road. Okay, just we will read road signs. While traveling, you must have seen some road signs. These road signs give us some useful information. Observe the first one. Yes, this road sign in black and white color, you can see what is the meaning of this road sign? Children crossing. You can cross with your child from that place. Next, this road sign, many times you have seen. Okay, what is the road sign? There is capital P and there is a slanting line on that. Okay, what is the meaning of that? No parking. Don't park your vehicle where you can see this board or this road sign. Okay, next, you can see the picture of a horn. Yes, or there is also you can see one line. The horn is cut. Why? Why there is a one line, slanting line on the horn? What is the meaning of this? Yes, no horn. Don't use your horn in that place where you can see this sign. The next sign, there is one arrow which shows right direction, and there is one slanting line on it. In this, they cut that sign. What is the meaning of this sign? No right turn. Don't take right turn. It is the meaning of this road sign. And the last road sign, just take a look. Here is also you can see one arrow. The arrow turns to left side, and there is one slanting line. Means what? They cut that sign. Means no left turn. Okay, this is a symbol of no left turn. Don't turn to left. Okay, so these are the meanings of this road signs. Okay, now student, just we complete here the lesson. We are going to wrap up the lesson. Okay, so in this lesson what we have learned? Being safe. How to be safe at the different places. First place is your home. At home. First one, stranger alert. Second one, fire alert. Third one, avoid sharp objects. Fourth one, caution on the stairs. Next one, traveling in a vehicle. How to be safe while traveling in a vehicle? First one, don't put head or hand outside a moving vehicle. Next, get on and off a bus only at a bus stop. after it has stopped. Third one, no disturbing the driver. Okay, don't disturb your driver shouting or with any other action or activity. Next, riding a bicycle. Just now we learned how to be safe when we are riding a bicycle. First one, keep to the left of the road. Next, avoid busy roads. Third, wear a cycling helmet. Next, on the road. What we have learned on the road? See, pavement walking. Always walk on the pavement. Using the zebra crossing. When you want to cross the road, use only zebra crossing. Third one, watch out for the signal. Observe the signal always when you want to go forward. Next, while playing, which things you have to remember? See, no playing on the road. Second one, no wandering off alone. And the third, wait for turn at the seesaw, slide and swing. So here we revised the lesson and we saw what we have learned. Okay, students, now it is time for today's EVS homework. First homework, learn and write given words 3 times. Again I will repeat, learn and write given words 3 times. First word, bicycle. Second word, helmet. Third word, handle. Fourth word, seesaw. Fifth word, firmly. And the sixth word is science. And also there is one another homework. What is that? Read page number 17 carefully. Okay students, some children, they don't have textbook. So here I am sending the image of page number 17. Yes, here we have 3 points what we have learned today while riding a bicycle, while playing and road signs. So read each word properly and carefully. Also students, there is one activity I want to give. What is the activity? Very simple. What is the activity? See, use one cardboard and make some road signs, any 5 of your choice. Which signs you saw on the road, also which signs we learned in the lesson on page number 17, that also you can use. So use one cardboard and make some road signs. Okay students, I hope you have understood the lesson. Always read the lesson carefully. Complete your homework and send it to me. Till then, we will meet in next video. Thank you.